In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new contact in your CRM. We're going to walk through the full process of adding a contact record from start to finish in a simple, clear way. This is useful whenever you need to save a new lead or client in the system so their details are organized and easy to access later. To begin, go to the main navigation area of the platform and open the Global Options drop-down menus. From there, navigate to Contacts and then select Contacts again to open the main Contacts page. This is the central area where all existing contact records are stored, and it's also where you'll start when creating a brand new entry. Once you're on the Contacts page, look toward the upper right area of the workspace. You'll see the main orange action button labeled Create Contact. Click that button to open the contact creation form. This form is where you'll enter the key information needed to create the new record. Next, fill in your client's contact details. Start with the email field, then enter the name information in the appropriate fields. After that, add the mobile phone number in the phone section. As you complete this form, make sure the information is accurate and formatted correctly, since these details will be used for future communication, follow-up, and reporting. Taking a few extra seconds here can help prevent duplicate records or contact issues later on. After entering the basic contact information, move to the contact owner field. This is where you assign the record to the appropriate user. Click the drop-down user picker and choose the correct owner assignment label from the list. Assigning the right owner is important because it helps with lead management, visibility, and accountability within your workflow. Once everything has been entered and reviewed, go to the bottom options area of the form and click the blue Create button. This will save the new lead record in the system. After the record is created, the contact will be added to your database and can be used for future outreach, tracking, and updates. If anything looks incorrect before saving, it's always a good idea to double check the form so the record is clean from the start. That's it. You've successfully created a new contact in the CRM. From navigation all the way through saving the lead record,